I'm going to show to you how the COMELEC is suffering despite the very strong effort of Congressman Matugas defending the budget of the Commissioner Elections. Tingnan niyo po, para pakita kaya ito po. Budget of the COMELEC, or this was the budget of the COMELEC that we proposed for 2024. This was proposed in 2023 for the 2024 preparatory national and local. For your information, the budget of the COMELEC is of two stages. One is the preparation phase, and the other one is the phase, which is 2025. Tingnan niyo po, despite Congressman Matugas' effort to defend our budget, doon pa lang po kasi sa ating pong President's budget, we propose for 27,981,577,577,000. Yan po yung na-propose namin. Tingnan niyo po kung ano yung lumabas sa GAA. Sa GAA po, balik muna doon sa una. Tingnan niyo. 23,903,534. With a difference, a decrease of 4 billion. 4 billion. Sasabihin po ng iba, maliit naman yung 4 billion. Tingnan niyo po kung ano na-sacrifice sa 4 billion na yan. Deployment, transportation, and delivery from 2 billion, naging 550,000 na lang po. Paano kami makakapag-deploy ng mga election paraphernalia or yung mga gamit natin, especially sa voters education, kung ang budget mo is 550 million. So it was reduced to 1,485,000,000 na lang po. Ballot paper and ballot printing, take note that the COMELEC is supposed to print also the Bangsamoro ballots. 3 million po lahat ng Bangsamoro ballots. Pero from 1.5 billion, naging 744 million na lang po. 799 million yung nawala sa Commission Elections para sa ating budget. Yung pong automated election system from 22 billion, 485 naging 21, a difference of 691,726,000. And then yung election supplies, material and forms, from 475 million, naging 924,000 na lang. Tingnan nyo naman po, 924,000. Nawala yung 470 namin. Bond paper na lang po mabibili namin doon. Sa overtime namin, kasi we have to have overtime for our employees. Lahat po, preparation, alam ni Commissioner Goyo Lara Sabalyan, yung overtime. From 1 billion, 40 million, naging 608 na lang po, nawala ang kami ng 431. So kayo man pong, saan natin kukuhanin yung pampasweldo sa mga empleyado natin nationwide, more or less, kulang 7,000. Tapos wala kang overtime. Binigyan ka pang kalahati lang na overtime. Kalahating taon lang po yan ng 2024. Voters education, and this is actually a voters education and advertising expenses from 259,167,000, zero po yung budget namin sa voters education for 2024. So you are actually seeing us on television, radio. We are conducting demo, etc. But on a zero budget po kami para sa voters education. And then yung laptops and other equipments for the capital outlay, bawasan din po kami ng 10 million. Yan po yung sad reality ng Commission. We are not trying to explain that because of the budget, our performance is poor. We are saying that despite this kind of budget, despite the reduction, the decrease in the budget, nagagawa po ng paraan ng Commission on Elections. Hindi namin ito nire-reveal sa lahat. Publicly, sinasabi namin, and we are not blaming anyone. We are fully aware of the very tight fiscal space of our government.